Alright everyone, today I'm going to be installing my Coffman's exhaust on my Rebel 1100T. As you can see, I have the touring version of the Rebel 1100, and not a lot of people have been installing exhausts or been doing a lot of modifications on it on social media, so hopefully I'm one of the first people that will be doing it. Alright guys, the first step is obviously to remove the stock exhaust, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, now that I got the stock exhaust off, we required a 12mm here, as well as on this thing. I'm gonna slide this off. I don't think we need this no more. Now that I got that off, I'm gonna put the new one on, alright? Alright guys, now that I have the exhaust installed, let's start her up. Okay, so after coming back from my ride, I noticed that the silver piece on this exhaust that was down right there, that it was starting to peel off. And after searching some Rebel forums, I found out that it's the gasket, and for most people, when they remove the stock muffler, it actually comes right off. Unfortunately for me, it was stuck there, but because it was peeling off, I just took a box cutter to it and it just came right off. And now just that extra 1-inch travel made the bracket fit so much nicer right there. And yeah, it just fits and sounds so much better. I just love the exhaust, and I just love how it sounds. I just want to thank everyone who made it to the end of this video. And as some of you subscribers may know, that this is my second Rebel 1100. Unfortunately, last year a drunk driver hit me and wrecked my first one. So just for all you guys out there that's on two wheels, be safe out there on the road. And part of that safety is having the proper gear on you. Right now, NBT Clothing is having a massive end of the year sale, and if you need an additional 15% off, check the description on this video and you can use my link code to get an additional 15% off.